Editors Guild of India (EZI) na All Manipur Working Journalist Union (AMJU) amasung Editors Guild Manipur (EZM) bu Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East ki court te appear tawhanbagi mahutta Supreme Court ta oina kauduna sel ka henna chading tawhanba asigi yenglaga AMJU amasung EZM na Media Legal Assistance Fund nama lengnaba warep lawre hairi AMJU amasung EZM na thadorakpa cherwala mana hai Media Legal Assistance Fund ama Lingba asina Supreme Court ke case asi thengnabada natana tungda media person sing amasung reporter sing bu legal case laukhatuna terrorize tawbada cell gi amasung legal gi mateng pigani hairi fund nasi AMJU gi mihut EZM gi mihut legal advisor amana luchingba legal team amasung chartered accountant ama yawba management committee amana handle tawgani amadi AMJU amasung EZM gi president singna co-chair oigani hairi Journalism reporting amasung publication nataba lanai oibe case singdadi fund asidagi mateng tawroi legal assistance launabagi application khudingmak kupna yengsilaga PCI gi guidelines ta yumpham oiba local gi phibam yengduna ethical amade balance reporting the management committee na clear tawgani yellow journalism natraga bad news oiba case singdadi mateng pibagi wafam laiti hairi fund asigi donor khudingmak masagi ayaba yawraga lawgani miyamda khangangani amadi chahi gi account statement da phongdokani fund asigi mathakta advocate singna manipur gi press ki ningtamba ngak senbada masagi interest leirabadi mateng lakpada taram okani haujik Supreme Court ta case thengnari ba asda advocate sapam bisorjit amasung mahake associate singna mateng pangle adumainamak makhoi gi sathok sasin tawbadadi AMJU amasung EZM na puthokani hainasu cherolas nam khatari